Select the reference level for creating the floor plan. Use the various commands to add the drawing models and select the floor plan. Associate the floor plan object to the level view with a simple click. Now set the floor plan into position with a second click. Define the horizontal section plane's elevation relative to the 0 level. Customize the title and confirm the insertion. The new drawing model is now added to the floor plans node. Customize the title. Raise or lower the section plane elevation. Choose the representation scale. Activate the drawing preview in 3D. Modifying the cutting plane elevation also updates the preview dynamically. Print the drawing model. Or export it to DXF DWG.